welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, and if you're returning, welcome back. I love this faux fur throw blanket. The quality is amazing, and I found it on Amazon. So this is what we have so far. I'm going to add some more of the ribbon because I actually like how that looks and to fill in the little gaps. Here's the wrapping paper. I think it is so gorgeous. Aside from Thanksgiving, the holiday season was usually a challenge for me to get through because even with having family and friends, I still felt alone in extreme sadness because of all the things I didn't have and what I have yet to accomplish. However, this time around, I feel so full and have so much gratitude for how far I've come in life in strengthening my faith while keeping my eyes fixed on Jesus. 2024 was filled with so many lessons and obstacles, but instead of looking at it as a bad thing or bad year, I'm choosing to view it as a rebirth of who I am becoming.